Welcome to this guide on the TouchCare Nano sensor, a continuous glucose monitor or CGM that can enhance your diabetes management. In this chapter, we will introduce the key features of the TouchCare Nano sensor and how to make the most of its benefits. Let's get started. The TouchCare Nano CGM works alongside a PDM or dedicated mobile app and provides continuous glucose readings for up to 14 days per sensor. The reusable transmitter can be used repeatedly for up to 1 year and communicates with a PDM or smartphone via Bluetooth. The system measures your glucose levels every 2 minutes and displays the data conveniently on your smart device. In other training materials, we have covered general glucose sensor usage, including when to rely on sensor data and tips for dealing with sensor issues or disconnections. In this guide, we will focus on the setup process for the TouchCare Nano CGM and provide practical guidance to help you use it effectively. Please note that this guide is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diabetes therapy. The content of these videos has been developed by Dr. Inge van Boxeler, the founder of Diabetotech and an endocrinologist at the St. Lucas Hospital in Ghent in Belgium. The materials have been reviewed by Dr. Sarah Segelaar, an endocrinologist at Amsterdam UMC in the Netherlands, and Davor Skeletzija from Croatia, whose daughter with type 1 diabetes has used the TouchCare Nano CGM. Their expertise and perspectives ensure that you receive honest opinions on the pros and cons of the TouchCare Nano sensor. By reaching the end of this guide, you will understand how to correctly place and start the TouchCare Nano sensor, the process of setting alarms for better glucose management, sharing your glucose data with family, caregivers, and healthcare professionals, connecting the sensor to other compatible devices, useful tips and best practices for daily use. By the end of this guide, both healthcare providers and users will have the confidence and know-how to get the best results from the TouchCare Nano CGM. Enjoy your journey towards smarter glucose monitoring.